How to change Facebook video frame or thumbnail in Meta Business Suite. So if you want to do this to a published media or a published video, then unfortunately there is not much you can do, since if you go ahead and take a look at the editor for a video in whatever account you have, you won't be able to edit that video. So you can't edit or add media to a post that has already been published. The only thing you can do in this case, if you trying to do something like this, is to delete the last video, create another one, and post that one with a thumbnail or the frame that you want. But if you just want to change your video frame or thumbnail in general before posting, you can go ahead to the create post, of course, add your video, edit it to whatever you want, and your framing should be here as well. You should be able to see your thumbnail once your video loads. Then just go ahead and publish your post. But that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.